Hey everybody, Chef Tom Dickinson here with a Watch Me moment. Now this moment is for all the people who have kids who are disabled, who are special needs, who are what I call differently abled. Now there are a lot of kids who don't know how to cook for themselves, and as adults, they don't know how to cook for themselves. Ever had one of your children who has special needs come to say, "Hey mommy, can I help you in the kitchen?" And you say no because you don't think they can do it? Well, that was mistake number one. I worked for a company called Aim Higher. Aim Higher was an adult developmental center for people who were adults who were differently abled. And guess what? We started out with 25 people in my first class. And by the time we were done, Aim Higher and I partnered together and we had over 400 people in this class. Our classes all over their facilities. They were all learning how to cook and learning how to take care of themselves. We even had them say, "Hey, if I can do this in this kitchen, maybe I can do this in my own kitchen, in my own apartment." It gave them confidence. It gave them determination. They wanted to learn and they wanted to excel. I've taught over 150 kids in the Fairfield Sassoon Unified School District who are special needs, differently abled, how to cook for themselves. And you know what? They were better for it. I just want to say, the worst thing you can do for someone who's disabled is to treat them like they're disabled. Get them in the kitchen, get them cooking, get them help. They're going to feel better for it, and you're going to feel better for it. I'm Chef Tom, and this has been a Watch Me moment. Get out of here.